Hi, everyone. This is Bertina, and welcome to Spirit Guide Communication through the Art of Divination. Today, we are going to focus on looking at the dark night of the soul. With a lot of what's been going on this week, I've had a lot of women reach out to me and say, what are we supposed to do? What do we do? And the thing is, though, is that women, when we are faced with adversity and the fear of losing our rights, losing equality, which we never really had, but what we did have at the time, we try to figure out should we be a warrior or should we be a healer? And this meditation here will kind of help you figure out which direction you need to go because both of them are really wonderful in what we need to do. Either be a warrior or sit and hold space and healing for those that are out, actually using their voice, being the warrior for human rights and things like that. So, if you want to go ahead and get comfortable, we're going to take on this meditation and we are going to go into the cave, the abyss. And as the winter's stillness descends, I invite you on this journey inward. We're going to go to a place of reflection, a place of courage, and a place of, I'm hoping, self discovery. This meditation, we're going into the depths of the dark of the soul. We're going to face the shadows within and then connect to the warrior spirit as it stands for truth, as it stands for strength, as she helps guide you in the direction that you need to go. We're going to go into the ancient sacred cave within you where you'll look into the abyss of your soul. Now, with this, you're going to find clarity. You're going to be honoring both the light and the dark within. This journey isn't about perfection. It's just about reclaiming parts of ourselves, embracing our resilience, preparing for this transformation power of not just winter, but of 2025. So, if you're ready to explore, take a few moments and just get comfortable. Go ahead and kind of relax, take in a deep breath. Let yourself settle. Breathe slowly for a few moments, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Begin to exhale any tension, any worries, any concerns. And you begin to feel yourself becoming grounded, becoming ready. So let's go ahead and start. Let's imagine a forest path before you. The air is crisp and it's carrying the scent of the earth and fallen leaves. The trees around you have surrendered their last leaves to the winter's touch. And as you're walking in these final hours of daylight, the shadows begin to lengthen, guiding you towards the stillness of the night. Each step takes you deeper into the heart of winter, a time of quiet, reflection, and retreat. Take a few moments to look around and to feel where you're comfortable. As you're walking, you look up ahead and you see an ancient cave. It's dark, but yet it's welcoming. It has a sense of timeless wisdom woven into the stone. The cave represents the dark night of the soul, a place where you will descend to face the hidden, the shadowed aspects of yourself. You enter feeling the cool embrace of the stone walls around you, and you take a moment to honor the courage it takes to journey within. As you walk deeper into the cave, the world outside fades away. You reach an open space within the cave and you sit down, surrounded by stillness. In front of you, there's a chasm that stretches into the unknown, symbolizing the abyss, the uncharted places of your soul. Here you will look within, guided by intuition, curiosity, and compassion. Gazing into this deep abyss, ask yourself, is there a warrior within me? Am I holding space for the warriors in my life, especially those who stand up for others, for women, for those in need? Or am I a warrior, someone who protects, someone who speaks out, someone who defends? Allow these questions to settle, watching as images, memories, or feelings rise to the surface. You may see many times when you stood up for others, offering them strength and courage. Or perhaps you sense places where you can lean into your power more, embracing the warrior spirit within you. If you feel resistance, let it come forward. Perhaps there are shadows here, beliefs or wounds that keep you from fully stepping into the warrior role or supporting others in theirs. Simply observe, hold space, and will honor whatever comes up. Trust that everything here has something to teach you. Know that this journey into the darkness is not about judgment or shame, but rather it's about reclaiming parts of yourself. You're here to hold yourself gently to see both in the light and the dark. You're here to recognize your own resilience. This dark night is a passage, a gateway to a deeper understanding of who you are. When you feel ready, I would like you to place your hand on your heart, honoring the courage it took to look into the abyss. The warrior within you is neither fearless nor perfect, but rather one who's willing to show up for themselves, to show up for others, time and time again. Sit in just a few moments and look back at a time when you've been the warrior and at the time when you have kept space for those who have the ability to fight at that time. See if anything comes forward as this is part of your soul, part of who you are. And see if anything comes through in the abyss. Don't force it. It could be part of your soul. It could be an aspect of your past life. Or it may simply just be a gift, an item that you remember from that time, such as a sword, a book, anything like that. Now, as you thank anyone or anything that has come forward to speak with you, as your soul or anything that is part of you, notice that the abyss begins to surround you, to embrace you, to comfort you, and to tell you that things are going to be okay. You feel comfortable, you feel secure, and you sit in this peace for just a few moments. Mhm. Mhm. Now, as you begin to leave the cave, stepping back into the winter night, I would like for you to feel the power of your journey within you. You walk away with a deeper understanding, a connection to the warrior spirit in yourself and in others. You're prepared to face winter's darkness, knowing that you carry with you the strength to guide yourself and others through whatever lies ahead. I would like for you to take a deep breath, feel the ground beneath you, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to this moment. Take a few moments to maybe journal or think about what has been revealed to you. And if you would like to share, you can email it to me at Bertina, Bertena, at Bertina.org. I will try to reply, but I love reading each and every one of these. I think you have a wonderful night and realize that as the winter comes and we enter into our dark cave, that this is not a time of death, but it is a time of bringing in what you have harvested throughout the year, nurturing it, using it for energy, planting it for the spring, and creating the 2025 that you wish. I thank you all and have a wonderful day.